Tesla was pretty easy trade and it was like a home run. Tesla has been a bearish trend since long time. It broke this level, big support. It's been down. Now it's coming to another support at 329. So there was no long. The plan on Tesla was bearish buys to short as long as under 150. We are not saying, oh, Tesla is cheap, buy. We never do that. We follow the system. Doesn't matter Tesla has sold $70. Yes, one day it's going to bounce. One day it's going to have a green day. But even today we gave it a little chance to do that. OpenAI bid, Oppenheimer negative on the name. Bearish buys to short as long as it's under 350. If you traded the amateur move, you got chopped. But interesting thing to note here is right of the MTF clouds, Tesla rejected right there. Then we tried to long it 512 call, but it was a C minus long because we are trying to see if it can push. Then we have a good entry, we can add into a position, and we need to see 512 holds, 3450 pushes, and we will use the 345 stops. The reason I was trying to long it because we were seeing some swipes and it was holding this level. When it rejected this cloud here, I know it's not going anywhere, so I said it's staying heavy. And then at 9:59, between 7 minutes, 10 minutes, I told everybody exit, and then I told everybody short now. 512 short. Low of the day breaks, we go lower. 340 first target, 338 next target. Then we had 335s. Then I told everybody to roll into 330 profits because you need to maximize your trade. You don't even need to trade something else. You can trade the same thing. You're trading the Tesla options. They're going 100-300%. You're making 2-3 grand. Take 500,000 out of it, put in the next option lotos, and make 100% on them. Just maximize as long as the trend doesn't change. So Tesla tried to call. We stopped out of here and we were looking for the longs, and right away it dropped. Right away it fails. When it fails, it's even more bearish, guys. It's the same like when it reclaims. Remember that when curl fades, why it gets heavy? Because everybody's buyer here, buyer here, buyer here. They're looking for the curl push, but when the curl fails, everybody panics. They exit. Then the shorts come. Then more people exit on the low of the day. More people stop out. So that's the psychology behind a move. So this was a failed curl on Tesla, right? And Tesla traded all day lows. We've been trading Tesla all day. You could trade TSLL options, ESLQ. We had our 330 lotos. Even those lotos went from $6 to $11 since we rolled it. Paid pretty well. My thing on Tesla today was that I want to maximize the profit potential all the way down because I don't really want to cut until the system says cut, and we keep moving the stops down. Each of our target is being met, and we know the daily chart is bearish. We know there's a new game plan, so we know that we can just trade this one stock. So these kind of trades, you can turn your $2,000 into $6,000. Yes, you lose in a trade, let's say like a morning trade, choppy like shop, but you can make 4 times more. So that's why you need to focus on the setup. If you're trading shares, you need to start with small shares because if the stock is going 50, 40, $50 down and you are still not able to making money on the short, means you are not sizing according to the stock's move or stock's range, and you are not adjusting according to the system. Rather, you are trying to adjust the system according to you. That's not going to happen. So beautiful trade of the day for us, Tesla.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenetTradeGroup.com.